Hello, thank you for tuning in. Today I will be bringing you this Kodak ZI8 digital 1080p pocket camcorder. This is obviously an unboxing. I just got this off of eBay for $29.25. The starting bid was $9.99. My max bid was $20 and the ending bid was $16.20. With shipping, it's a little over $10. So let's get right into this. Right off the bat, boom, define yourself in high definition. Open up the packaging. Like so. Move the camera back a little bit. Let's open up the package, and right off the bat, here you have this camera right here. It's a little scratched up, a little banged up, really, but that's all right. That's quite okay. To power it on, you hit this button right here. And wham! It turns right on. Let's get the box out of the way. Right here, you got your playback, your video. Here's your dial for your zoom. There's nothing really to zoom in on right now. It's set on 1080p. You got your trash bin and you got your settings. In your settings, you got all these options right here. Just hitting that dial just like that. This is a very nice camera. I got this camera several years ago, but not this exact camera, but I got the exact same model several years ago. And I used it and I charged it, and this area got really hot and it just never worked again. And so I finally just am getting around to getting this again. This is true high definition picture. And to prove that, here is some footage. Shoot it outside with the Kodak ZI8. Just look at that picture. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's clear, it's crisp, it is very nice. Very nice. Crisp, clear, true 1080p. Now, I was shooting in 1080p. You can also shoot, let's Turn this off so I can go to that right quick. Settings here. Boom. 1080p. You got this option. You got that option. 720. WVGA. You got your camera setting right there. And I will set it right back to 1080p. Look at the rest of what you get inside this box. You get the USB power cord, and here is the power outlet to plug it into a power source. You can just connect your USB right here, and you just plug it right on in to charge your battery. Here is the strap. I took that off. I don't need the strap. And here is your Kodak ZI8 booklet in several languages that will explain, or that does explain, the camera and all of its awesome, incredible features. Whatever that you're into, either it's vlogging, YouTube series, you got your own YouTube channel, this is the best camera to buy cheaply. True 1080p, 30 frames per second camera. Now, yeah, there are other cameras, more expensive cameras that will give you 4K, 8K, etc. But if you are on a low budget, if you want true, clear, crisp, 1080p perfect picture, perfect sound, this is the camera for you. You cannot go wrong with a camera like this. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good one. See you on the next one.